reproduction. Reproduction can be defined as the process where a male species copulates with a female species to give birth to a result known as what? Metrophotosynthesis.
Stop talking to me now. What's your problem?
Hello? If this man doesn't come forward, I walk out of the class.
Hey, go.
Didn't you want to take over my job as the professor in class? What was the last thing I said? You see, when I say listen in class, it's for your own good. If you don't pay attention, I receive salary. You pay attention, I still receive salary. But when you decide to be a blockhead,
reproduction is defined as the process where a female species and a male species copulate to produce metrophotosynthesis. Chill. Now, there are different types of definition. He gave you one. That's a lame type of definition.
It's a lie.
The main definition is, I don't know if you want to jot down. Yes. The reproduction is the biological process whereby individual organisms come together to produce. I will not give you that name, but to produce, I will give you stuff. Petrosynthesis.
Oh my God!
Now, sir, please listen to me. Now, this reproduction is divided into three. There is oocysis and metrosis and polosis.
Consis! Oh my God.
I will not say too much. I would love to continue, but this man thought he would disgrace me. But he doesn't know that I've been there before. Let's not talk too much. Take, sir.
Yeah!